Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is a little bit about customizing your workspace. And if you have a box drawn or a line drawn or anything drawn, in newer versions you have this one that goes away, but in X6 and below I don't believe it's possible. So we're going to make Control D, and we're going to make a duplicate of that, and we're going to move it down. Now watch what happens right here when I select both these. It goes away. So to correct that is just click on one of them, hold down your Control and your Alt key and your left mouse button, and you'll see that plus sign, and then let go of your Control key, and then you can take this toolbar and put it right here or anywhere on your workspace. So now if you want to make both these are hairlines right now, real easily you can make them 36 points, both of them at the same time. So if you have a lot of them on the page, let's just do that, Control D. So you would have to individually, or you could select them and go down here to the pen tool, but there's a click there, and then you would change them to 36 points. But if you have it up on your screen, let's just back up. Let's select them all. It's always going to be there. If you didn't have it, it's right there. But if you select more than one, it goes away. So that's an easy lesson to start doing things to your workspace to make it a little more customized for you. And as always, you need to go to Tools and Save as Default. And then when you start Corel again, it will be back there. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.